This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics ready. A charged Ly737, phone Bluetooth on, and the companion app installed. Now, open the Ly737 watch app and allow Bluetooth permissions. This lets the phone search. On the watch, swipe to Settings and tap Pair or Bluetooth. Once you see a QR code or device name, keep the watch screen active. On the phone, tap Add Device and choose Ly737 from the device list. Pairing begins immediately. Watch for a 6-digit code or confirmation prompt and accept it to proceed. Once paired, you must confirm permissions so features work. You'll see a Bluetooth pairing code. Compare digits on both devices and tap Confirm. Then grant notification access, contacts, and health data so calls, messages, and steps sync properly. Make sure the app's background refresh is allowed. Otherwise, open the app and tap Sync Now to force data transfer. If the watch requests firmware updates, install them. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity. Do not skip them because they stabilize daily pairing. You're nearly done. Check that time, alarms, and watch faces match the phone. Adjust settings in the app to customize alerts. If notifications or health data don't appear, first restart phone and watch, then reopen the app. If problems persist, unpair from phone Bluetooth and delete the Ly737 entry in the app, then repair from scratch. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the watch's network or factory settings only after backups. That clears persistent pairing conflicts and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.